This is like Play-Doh.
Play-Doh soap.
Play-Doh soap.
Yeah, we're going to make
I'm
a
gonna open. Watermelon soap.
soap. And yeah, and this is the molder. Yeah, this is
This
the
is the
molder.
molder to put it
And this is
here.
the soap dough.
Soap
Oh,
dough.
this soap dough is for 3 years old and up. Yan, and this is a real soap. This is not a toy. This is a real soap. This is the
I'm
color
gonna open.
pink, and this is the color light pink. Okay, let's open it.
Yeah. I will open the green
Are
one.
you open it?
I will.
Yan na, open na. Oh no!
And now, time to open
Meron
it.
din pa siyang kasamang mesh. Dito ilalagay yung soap pag natapos ng gawin. And meron din siyang mga instruction how to play. Pwedeng
Okay,
gamitin mo
I'll
yung
open it
molder mo. Pwedeng gagamit ka ng ibang shaper. And pwede din yung mga silicone molder. Basta dapat lalagyan siya ng konting water kapag dry. Oh no, baby! What happened, baby?
I will punas it.
Ay, will pull the skip.
Basa.
It's basain. Okay, sorry. Okay.
Time to open it.
Time to open it.
Mama, I will open that.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, fine.
You open this.
So you show it to them. They're so... Show it to the camera.
It
Smells good.
smells
Smells
good.
like candy. Anak, we make a small lang kasi the molder is so, So, first, ganyan siya. Pero gagat lang tayo ng, wait lang, baby, konti. Konti lang, anak. It's like that. Anak, hindi po ganyan. Ganito po. Ganito po, anak, ganito po. Ganyan siya. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya ng, hindi naman siya dry.
Ako. Mama, can you try, please?
Yan siya ng konting, dito water lang. Oops. Okay. And then, like that. Dali, massage mo, massage. Madami kang magagawa, kasi madami siya. This is 25 grams, the green, and this is 40 grams. And this is the molder. The molder dapat keep it dry. So, madaling siyang mamomolder.
Here, Mama. It's all dry.
So, siya na, on the
That's
green.
it.
Okay, thank you, baby.
Now,
Now the green.
green one. I will make him like a ball now, and his box is not hard anymore. It's a massage.
We're going to use this soap for Tita Bat. Yung mas maganda kapag namamassage siya ng
Take go! Mama, here.
Ito.
It's very like candy.
Ganun.
Mama, touch it. It's all dry now.
Hold right now.
I will put it here.
Later pa, baby. Wait lang. Daan mo muna. We're
Nicole,
going to circle.
I will do that too, Mama.
Yeah. Look at it.
Hey, look this, guys.
Oh no!
I will get it.
Okay, baby.
Start. I need to clean this. Oh, I got it.
Okay. Going to put on the holder like that. Napantay lang siya. Sakto lang.
Mama, about this.
And then this. Okay na ba, baby? Oh, medyo dry siya ng konti. Pero okay lang. Oh, kulang, baby.
Opo.
You know, dapat the green, oh. Hindi pa siya sakto.
Yeah. Mama,
Another like that one. You massage it, baby.
this is mine and this is my
No,
too.
no. Go. Like that. Go. Let's make a soap. 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 Okay na po.
And then we need to like this. It's okay now. We need more Play-Doh oil, guys.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Ano naman? Ano? Dito ka naman.
Meron pa. Ito na.
Lahat na ano. Ang galing naman. Oh, galing naman ng baby. Okay, okay.
It's still very good. Mama.
Mama, okay, oh. Ito pa, oh. Look at your, dough. Wow, so impressive, huh? Can I see?
Wait.
This is, nga pala, non-toxic, no heat needed, makes bubbles, and easy to make.
Here, Mama, you can see it now.
Wow!
Let-
Okay, we're going to press. Going to
But can we
press.
try, please?
Press. Okay, you
But
press
then-
it. You press. Press super duper press.
Let us see.
Yeah. Going to check if we make it. And then, after we mold it to the watermelon molder,
Mama,
after the gentle tap to the
Okay,
mold
Mama.
the soap dough, and they're ready. We're gonna try it. 1, 2, and 3.
can we try, please,
Okay,
Mama? Okay. Ito ang...
Baba natin. Babagsak mo, baby. Yan, very good. Ayaw po. Oh no!
Can we try?
Yan na, baby.
Ma, wait. It's purple.
Yeah, okay. Kailangan na natin siyang marinig. Ano?
What shape is this?
Ay.
What shape is this? It's... Tanga!
Ayun! Yay! Show them, baby! Show them! Oh, it's so cute! And you put here na, and we're going to just eat! Yay! Yan, they're ready to use this for take a bath. Oh, it's so cute! Okay? Pag naubos na yan, we're going to make it again. Okay, baby?
Opo. It's 1, 2, 3.
Wow, it's so cute, huh? Molder. Ayan. Maganda siya, ah. Oo. Soap dough.
Look, no. Look it.
Nga pala, nabili pala namin to sa Landers. Ayan, 124 only. Nakasili kasi siya. Ayan, 124. Iba-iba din yung fruits niya. Mayroong ano yung mga nandun, baby. May strawberry. Diba? May grapes. Ano pa po?
My
Ano pa?
yellow fruit.
The yellow fruits. Yeah, the lemon. And the pineapple also, diba? And the
Watermelon.
watermelon. Yay! Bye, guys! Say bye-bye.
Bye. Let's